In this video, we will show you how to properly conduct the data normalization step, which is only applicable to mass spectrometry or nuclear magnetic resonance data. If you have RNA-seq data, you may skip this step. First, select whether your data have been normalized already or not in another application like the Panomics Marketplace or PMART. If you need to normalize your data, we suggest using the PMART application. See the link in the video description. If you'd like to skip normalization, switch the toggle to yes and click confirm. Otherwise, leave the toggle at no. Next, select your desired subset and normalization function. For more details on these parameters, see our video on the PMART normalization page or read our PMART publication. Both links are in the video description. If groups have been supplied in the sample information dataset, you may click the Test Normalization button to get a p-value from the Kruskal-Wallis test. This value will inform you if your selections have led to normalization factors that vary by experimental group, which can lead to biased downstream statistical results. A p-value less than 0.05 is not ideal, and we suggest trying another normalization approach. When finished, click Confirm to move on to the design plot step.